Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Little Wings Arabic channel. Hope everyone is fine. Okay, so friends, today's video I am going to discuss about the latest grade 10 CBSE Arabic paper. Before the videos I have uploaded the old papers, sample papers. In this video I will be solving the new papers, which new sample paper, which is like section wise. It is like multiple choice questions are there, grammars are there. So first I will try to solve today section A. Okay, so I'll share my screen recorder. I will solve that. Okay, let's get back to our screen recorder. Thank you. So friends, this worksheet, this paper I am just I have already solved it because I am making the compiled paper today. I am just I will be solving today. I am just highlighting the answers today. So first answer is هذه المدرسة. Okay, قريبة. So I will just keep on highlighting and go fast. Okay. Second is لها ثلاثة أبواب. Second answer is this one. لها ثلاثة أبواب. Third answer is أبوابها الآن مفتوحة. Third answer is this one. Fourth answer is في فصلنا نافذتان. Okay, نافذتان. So third answer is this one. Then يناسب لهذه الفقرة الون مدرسة أخي مدرستي. So what is the suitable topic? This is madrasati, my school. Okay. So in the ba, what they are asking is al-haqibatu dash, al-haqibatu tahta al-maktabi. I am just highlighting the answers only. Nafizatul ghurfati, nafizatul ghurfati, nafizatul ghurfati, whether it is open. Okay. Nafizatul maftuhatul, so maftuha. This is the answer. Quickly I am just highlighting the answers only. بيتي أمام المسجد تقول هنا معرفة. Okay, the letter بيت house is here. معرفة, my house. Okay, يأتي جمع كلمة الغرفة غرفتين. What is the plural of كلمة الغرفة? So غرف. Okay, this one, second one is the answer. When I am selecting, I don't know why it's not going. So this is the second answer. Second one is the answer. Okay, this one, not first one, second one. Okay, then هذا بيتي. كلمة هذا أسماء الإشارة. Okay, then here third one, what is the answer? Hamidun tabibun. You have to read the sentence and easily you will find the answers there. Then Ahmad dash Sadiq Usman. Who is Ahmad? Ahmad Ibrahim Hamza Osman Taliban Hamza Osman Muhammad. So who is the brother of Hamza? Brother of Hamza. But Mada Yujadu, because what are the so many things they are found? So Masajid, this one. Sorry, this one. Masajid wa Madaris. Masajid, Madaris is the third answer. What is the opposite of Aswad? White, black. So this answer I have already written. Tabib, Atibba, Kalam, Aklam, and Mindi, Manadil. Okay. Written the answers here. Tabib, Atibba, Kalam, Aklam, Mindi, Manadil. They are asking for the plural of the words. So friends, this is the first part. Rest all the parts I have included. I will part. So attempt any 16 MCQs out of 19 from question number 2 to 7. Each question carries 1 mark. Okay, let's go to this now. Choose the correct answers of the following questions. Okay. What is the first one? Jalasa at-tullabu. Jalasa at-tullab. So this is the first question I am reading. Jalasa at-tullab. In this sentence, at-tullabu is what they are asking, whether it is maf'ul or fa'il or fail. So the students sat The student sat. The meaning is student sat. So at-tullabu is the person who is doing the work. So it will be, the answer is fa'il. The answer is fa'il in this. Okay. Second one, kharajat al-banatu ila al-madrasati. The girls went to the school. So in this sentence, kharajat is what they are asking, whether it is maf'ul bihi or fail, verb or fa'il or doer. So kharajat is of course a verb which is fail in Arabic. Okay, this is the answer. Third one, azzana al muazzinu al fi al waqti. The muazzin, the person who calls to the azan, he gave azan on time. So in this sentence, azzana word is what, whether it is fa'il or fail or maf'ul bihi. So azzana, again it is verb. Okay, he gave azan, he called towards the prayer. So this is the answer for third one. Okay, next one, select the correct answers of the following questions they are asking. Question number 3. So it is there in the next page. Okay, kharaja al-amilani ila al-maidan. Kharaja al-amilani ila al-maidan. So in this sentence, al-amilani is what? Okay, kharaja al-amilani, two laborers went out to the ground. So two laborers. So al-amilani word, what is this? So whether it is halat al-rafa, nominative, or halat al-nasab, or halat al-jar. So al-amilani, actually amiluna should be there. So it is in halat al-rafa, you should say, nominative case. Okay, remember this, halat al-rafa. I'll highlight this with green colors. Okay, next, ra'aytu at-tiflaini ma'a khadima. I saw two children with the maid. So in this sentence they are asking what is at-tiflain, whether it is fi halatil jar, fi halatil rafa, or fi halatil nasab, nominative or nasab, or okay, jar, preposition, this one. So actually remember always, when you are saying I saw the two students, so two children, so whom you saw, that is subject, yes, that is explanation. So at-tiflain, it will be halat an nasab, fi halatin nasabi, halatin nasabi. Next, marra al-maliku bil waziraini. In this sentence, the king passed and king walked with two of his ministers. So in this sentence, al-waziraini is what? Okay, so because it's falling after ba, which is harf jar, so you should say fi halatil jarri, fi halatil jarri, because it's coming after ba, which is preposition letter. So halatil jarri. Next one, question number 4, select the correct answers of the following questions they are asking. Select the correct answers of the following questions. Okay, let's go. What is this? First one, in the sadiqi arba kutub. My friend has 4 books. In this sentence, kutub word is what? Singular. Al-mufrad means singular, al-muthanna means dual, al-jama means plural. So of course you would have understood it is books. So al-jama. Okay, al-jama. Next one, shahadtu tayran yatiru fil jawi. I saw a bird flying in the sky. Okay, in this sentence, tayran is what? What you saw? A bird. Okay, it is one bird or two birds. So of course I said in the translation itself, tayran. Tran, when it comes, means it is only one bird. So it is al-mufrad. It is, you should click on al-mufrad. Okay, singular. Next, yada asabi wasikhatani. Yada asabi, the two hands of the child are dirty because he was playing somewhere, it seems. So in this yada, what is the yada word in this? Either singular or plural or dual. Of course I said two hands, so yada means al-muthanna. You have to click on al-muthanna. Okay friends, Next question they are asking, fill in the blanks with suitable words given in the brackets. Okay, next question they are asking is this one, fill in the blanks with the suitable words given in the brackets. Let's go what they are asking. املأ الفراغ بكلمات مناسبة من الكلمات المناسبة المذكورة بين القوسين. Same thing. First one, Zainab wa Khalida. Zainab and Khalida, both are girls. Whether they are Sadiqa means one friend, Asdiqa means friends, Sadiqatan means two friends. So of course you will click on, because they are feminine, so you will click on Sadiqatani, two friends. Okay, Sadiqatani is two girls. Second question, Abwabul Masjidi, the doors of the mosque are Maftuhun or Maftuha or Maftuhat. Okay, Maftuhun will not come because Abwab is the plural, so you should say Maftuhata, because non-living things, and non-living things plural comes means always it will be with ta marbuta. Always remember this, Maftuha. G. Next question they are asking, Janah al bulbuli. Janah al bulbuli. Okay, the feathers of the bird is maksura or maksuratani or maksurun. So Janah al bulbul, the feather of the Janah al bulbul. Okay, so you can say maksurun because feather. So Janah al bulbuli maksurun, you can say. Next, choose the correct answers for the following questions. Okay, question number 6 I am reading now. Choose the correct answers of the following questions. Okay, Tilka tawila. In this sentence, Tilka is what? Either it is Ismul Ishara. Ismul Ishara means you point out something, right? Like Haza, this one, that one, that one. Ismul Fa'il, okay, or Ismul Damir or noun one, or the doer noun. So Ismul Ishara, because you are pointing, that is a cheval. Next one, Hunna tabibatun. In this Hunna is what? Whether it is Zamir Muzakkar Lisighatil Jama, whether it is noun for used for masculine plural, or Zamir Muannas Lisighatil Jama, or it is masculine feminine noun for the plural, or Ismul Ishara Lisighatil Jama, or they will say it is pointing noun for, okay, Lisighatil Jama for plural. So of course this Hunna is for girls, so you should choose this one, Zamir Muannas Lisighatil Jama. Okay. Next, Hal haulai khuddamuka, or these or people or your mates. So what is in this sentence? Ka is what? Letter Ka is what? Zamir munfasil majroor, okay, or Zamir muttasil mansoob, or Zamir muttasil majroor. All these, so Hal haulai khuddamuka, Zamir muttasil munfasil. Muttasil means, what is the meaning of munfasil? Okay, munfasil means detached, and muttasil means attached, mansoob, and Zamir muttasil majroor means. Question number 4 what they are asking is Imla al fara bi kalima munasiba. Okay, fill in the blanks with the suitable words given between the brackets. So first question is this one, I. Lihada dukkan, this door has how many, this shop has how many doors? So your options are salas or salatha. So the plural, when the plural of non-living things is given, always you should use salathatu abwab. See this one with this ta marbuta is there, no? That one you should use always, please remember. Second one, ishtarayna tis'a. Tis'a, when the count is tis'a 9, so the opposite one should be with the feminine with plural. So kurrasat, ishtarayna tis'a kurrasat, you should say we bought 9 notebooks. third question they are asking. Jara sab'a dash fil maidan. Dash, how many number of players ran in the ground? So laib you should say, or laibin. Sab'atu laibin. Laibin, this one. Okay, this is the answer for this one. Next was Katabatil Ma'alim Darsa. The teacher wrote the lesson on the Sabura or Atavila. Tawila means table, Sabura means board. So you write As-Sabura. Of course, teachers write on the board only. So this is the solution for question number 4. Let's move on to next one, section C now. Section C, main course book. What they are asking in this main course book is extract and answer any 5 questions. Choose the suitable answers from the bracket. So first one, the Dakhala al-Ustad Fa'at al-Imtihan. I will tell the short summary of this instead of reading all this. Actually, the teacher is entering the exam hall, and he is distributing the exam sheets to everyone. There are 2 friends. One is Shankar and Sham. Shankar is telling exam questions are all easy. It looks like all the book is in front of me open, so I will finish the exam very fast. So Sham also says like that only. Yes, of course it is easy, but time is very less. I have tried almost everyone except the last question I have not tried. There is no time. I wish the time was extra. So let's don't waste the time. I will complete the paper as much fast as that is the discussion happening between 2 friends. So they have given this paragraph and asking the questions about is, okay, what is the question about? First question they are asking, Dakhala al-Ustad Fa'a dash. The teacher entered where? So always you should see the first, any one word will be there from the question for the hint. Okay, so search similar word from the paragraph. Where you find? See here it is. Dakhala al-Ustad Fa'a al-Imtihan. Okay, exam hall. So you found the answer here. You have to read like that. So Qa'a al-Imtihan is the first answer. Okay, Dakhala al-Ustad Qa'at al-Imtihan, first answer. Second one, Ta'akkadu min dash ka'anna inna anna. They confirm that anna means surety. It comes for surety that exam is very easy. Kanatil as'ilatu, the questions were sahla, sa'ba or basita. So you should search and click on sahla. Sahla means easy. The exam was very easy. Questions were very easy. Next question they are asking is in al-as'ilata allati taduru fi zahni. Whose mind the questions were rotating, whether it is Sham, Shankar or Ustad. So who said this first dialogue? In al-as'ilata, okay, Shankar said this sentence. Okay, so Shankar, you have to circle, underline, select his name. Shankar is the correct answer. Next, singular of word ajwiba in the paragraph. Jawabat, jawab or jawabain. So jawab is the singular of ajwiba. Okay, answers. Opposite, mutazad means opposite. So mutazad of the word, opposite of the word maftu, open. So close. Mughlaq is the opposite word for the maftu. Okay, read the following poem carefully and answer any 5 questions they are asking. Okay, so what here you have to do is they have given select proper answers from each bracket accordingly. So easy it is. We have to read from this paragraph only and answer the questions here. Fil Baitil Awwal, the first poem, first poetry. What the poet is describing, Masaib dash Al-Ghina Al-Gharib Al-Farah. Okay, so Fil Baitil Awwali Ana Fil Hindi Ara Sharqa Wama Fi Hana Yawmin Ad-Da'id Dafin. Okay, sadness. He is discussing about sadness or poverty or richness. Okay, so he is describing about Fil Bait is Masaib al-Ghina. Masaib al-Ghina. Ghina means singing. What are the problems the singing is facing, like that. It's about poetry. Second question they're asking, Fil Bait Thani Yaskuru Shairu Ahmiyata. Okay, Ahmiyata verb. See, same sentence where it is, you have to read this. So second answer is here. Qadatul Gharbi. Okay, leaders of the West. Third question is Fil Baiti Thalis. Third question. Third poet. Fil Rafir Rahati was Sukun. Al Insan Al Jin Al Haywan. Who is there in the calmness? Human being or genie or animals? Highlighted here. See Al Masrurin. Fourth. Walfil Baitul Khamis. Fifth poetry. What they are asking. Ala Ashawari. This one is the answer for fifth one. Sixth one. اختر عنوان مناسبا لأفكار عامة الناس من صدور الفقراء من مشاكل الريفين. What is the main topic for this poet? So أخبار عامة الناس من صدور الفقراء من مشاكل الريفين. So you can say this. Yes, this one you can select this. Arabic. In this I am showing to a translation for grade 10. They are asking any two translations, but I will try to do this one. Subscribe to our channel if you have not done and share with others. So friends, actually in this first paragraph you can see they are asking about my name is Saeed, I was on school leave. So he's asking permission to go to his friend's house for studying, but father is saying of course you can go, but make sure you carry with you snacks and all the books and study materials with you, and don't play too much because exam is approaching near. And make sure you carry your snack and sandwiches also. And mother also is telling same thing. Do you want to carry your snack bottle also with you? So this I will type it when I will come back to you. So then I will show you. Then we have second translation, as you can see. A I have written, then B we are doing. It's about all the translation for you people. This is a discussion between Shankar and Sham happens. Sham says, "Oh Sham, the questions are very easy as the book is open in front of me. I will finish the exam fast." So Sham says, "Yes, Shankar, but the time is less." Both of them started writing all answers except one. They could not attempt due to shortage of the time. The teacher said perhaps the questions were long and the time was very short. So this was the second paragraph translation. Third one they are asking about. This is about translation is about Hamid is telling to mother about the Arabic sir that his mother has taught him about the last session about the heavy and light known of for present tense. The same lesson Arabic teacher taught us before the hall. All these three translations for you. Okay. So after that, the next question what they are asking is explain any 5 of the following verses. So in this they are telling about actually these 5 poetry verses is about the Mahatma Gandhi, our great leader. So what are the struggles he faced? Okay, what are the struggles? See this 5 following verses they are asking is what are struggles he faced during the freedom of India. And next we have friends is translate any 5 of the following into English or Urdu they are telling. So one by one I will try to translate and come back to you. For a moment I will pause it and I will try to do translation. Okay, on all the 7 sentence they are asking into English. We need translation here. First translation is this is a new book. Second is the student is standing. Third one is I have opened the window of the house. Fourth one is the flight has arrived. The girls have entered the class. Sixth one is I am a teacher in the school. And the 7th one they are asking is no, he is not my friend. So these are the steps. Translate any 5 of the following verses. Okay, translate any 5 of the following sentences into Arabic now. They are asking the sentence to be done in Arabic. So these 7 questions they have written. First one is Ana Muhandis. Are you a student of Arabic? We have to say Hal anta tilmizun lil-lughati al-arabiyya. And third one is they went to Agra. Dhahabu ila Agra. Fourth one is his pen is red. Qalamuhu ahmar. Fifth one is I saw a bird. Ra'aytu at-tayra. Sixth one is how are you? Kaifa haluka or kaifa anta. Seventh one is we have to say, no, he is not my brother. La wa laisa akhi is the last part of the grade 10 sample paper Arabic. Okay, today I am going to solve this last section, inshallah. Then together all compiled one file, one video I'm uploading, not section wise, together all the paper with the answer keys I will put inshallah in this video. So here they are asking you write a paragraph in about 50 words in Arabic on any of the following topics. Okay, so what they are asking here is, okay, they are asking about the topic. Okay, for first one is you have to write 50 words about the teacher, my teacher. Second topic is maktabati, my library. Third one is about Taj Mahal. Okay, any of the topic you have to write 50. Okay, a paragraph in about 50 words in Arabic on any one of the following topics. So you have given choice here, so it's good. So Ustadi, my teacher, maktabati, or Taj Mahal. Or apart from these three, if you don't want this, you have to write an application in Arabic to your principal, like how are you sir, I want a holiday, like this, like this, like this. But these three topics I have covered here. Okay, these three topics which I am highlighting, okay, in yellow color, this I have written for you people in another word format. So first answer is here. This is about the teacher. Ustadi huwa mujtahidun wa atufun. My teacher is a hardworking wa atufun huwa yuhibbu at-talamiz wa yusa'iduhum fi at-ta'lim. Ana uhibbu ustadi wa ahtarimuhu. So three lines I have written about the teacher. Okay, let's get back to second one. They are asking about my library. So that answer also I have written here. See here, maktabati, my library. So what is there in my library? I have collected so many books. In my book in my room I have made separate library itself. So what books you like, all that I have written there. Third topic is about Taj Mahal. They are asking about to write a few lines about Taj Mahal. So I have written about Taj Mahal. It is situated in Agra in India. It's a beautiful monument. Okay, and built with white marbles and all. And who built it? Shah Jahan, King Shah Jahan built it for his wife Mumtaz. And Taj Mahal is one of the beautiful monuments of the world. This much I have written, my friends. So 1, 2, 3 topics are covered here. So you can refer to this. Okay, you can refer to this, either this one or first one. See, I'll make it slow so you can easily read it out. Okay, you have to pause it, and when you are studying you have to pause it and refer to this. With the translation also I have put for that, so you can understand while you are preparing for the exam. Second is about my library. Third one is about Taj Mahal, I have written here. Okay, let's back to the last question now. Last question they are asking is write the central idea of any of the following poems. Okay, so these are the three poems. Wasful Qalam, description about the pen. Okay, second one is about Min Hanaya al Gharib, the stranger's problem. And third one is about Indian freedom. Okay, Indian freedom. So these topics I have, what are the main central ideas of these topics, I have written that also. See, let's see, this is question number 16. First one answer is this one, Wasful Qalam, a description. So what is the main topic about this? They are describing about the pen and importance of the writer. So that I have written here. Second one is Hanaya al Gharib, the inner feeling of the strange person. So what is the main topic in that is what is the problems the stranger faces when he goes to a new country and all, what is his feelings and all, problems and all. That is the main central idea. Third one is about Indian freedom. Okay, so what are the problems Indians face and how they are celebrating when they got the freedom from British Empire. So these are the, friends, three main central ideas of the question number 16, which is the last question of CBS Arabic paper. So friends, these are our all papers are solved now. So together from section A to all, I am going to upload the video today. So you no need to refer section wise, video by video. You will find all the solved answers in one video. Okay, please share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.